Chapter 20. Pollution. Pollution is the contamination of the resources by adding unwanted or waste materials to the environment. We all contribute to pollution in some ways or the other without realizing that it is very harmful for our earth. With the rapid growth in population and advancement in science and technology, pollution has also increased. It is a serious problem and poses various threats to our life. It is also the main cause of global warming. Pollutants are the substances that cause the contamination of the environment. Let us know about different types of pollution. Air pollution. All of us need air to breathe. The composition of air is fixed. Air pollution arises when there is mixing of some harmful substances in the air. It is very harmful for all living things. Causes. Release of chemicals and poisonous gases. Bursting of crackers on festivals and weddings. Burning of plastic bags releases toxic gases. Teachers, please. Let the children speak about their personal experience on the causes and effects of pollution. Tidbits. The harmful gases released from the Mathura oil refinery has been causing great threat to the Taj Mahal in Agra. Effects. Polluted air causes rashes on skin and allergies like asthma, cough, throat irritation, watering of eyes, and breathing problems. The levels of carbon dioxide increase in the air, which causes global warming. It causes acid rains, which damages plants, buildings, and affects the soil. Methods to control. We should plant trees. This helps in purifying the air. Factories should use filter chimneys so that harmful gases are not emitted directly into the air. Vehicles should have filters in their exhaust pipes. Vehicles should be regularly checked for the release of the harmful gases. Use a cycle to travel short distances. Fuels such as LPG, biogas, etc. may be used. Garbage dumps must be kept covered. Burning of forests should be avoided. Tidbits. Air is so polluted in many cities in China that people cannot see the stars at night. Water pollution. The mixing of unwanted elements in the water sources is called water pollution. It causes damage to the aquatic life. Causes. Washing clothes and utensils in water bodies. Bathing animals in ponds and rivers. Waste from houses, factories, offices, etc. is often poured into the rivers. Dumping of garbage into a water source. Immersion of idols of gods and puja materials. Fertilizers get washed away by rain and mix with water. Effects. It makes water unfit for drinking. Polluted water causes diseases like jaundice, diarrhea, and typhoid. It leads to the death of aquatic animals and plants. Fish from polluted water bodies are unfit for our use. Methods to control. Avoid animal bathing and washing clothes in water sources. Do not throw garbage and poisonous chemicals in water sources. We must clean the wastewater from the factories before letting it flow into water sources. We should reduce the use of plastics. Soil pollution. The dumping of wastes into the soil is called soil pollution or land pollution. The wastes from homes, factories, and agricultural fields are thrown, which get mixed with the soil and spoil its quality. Causes. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. Dumping of garbage, harmful and non-biodegradable waste into the soil. Deforestation leads to soil erosion. Effects. It can cause brain problems, kidney failure, and other problems in our body. In polluted soil, plants do not grow. It affects the growth of the plants. Tidbits. Look at the time taken by some materials to get decomposed. Cotton bags, 1 to 5 months. Paper, 2 to 5 months. Orange peels, 5 to 6 months. Wool, 1 to 5 years. Plastic bags, 15 to 20 years. Nylon clothes, 30 to 40 years. Methods to control. Throw garbage in a dustbin. Recycle waste materials. Use environment-friendly items. Compost pits should be made to convert waste into manure. Noise pollution. Excessive and unwanted sound in the environment leads to noise pollution. Causes. Loud music during marriages and festivals. Excessive honking of horns. Loud noise from airplanes, trains, construction machines, and industries. Noise of the vehicles and factories. Effects. It causes hypertension or high blood pressure. It can hurt eardrum and make us deaf. It can reduce our sensitivity of hearing. Methods to control. Unnecessary use of horns should be avoided. Sound of loudspeakers and music systems should be kept low. Honking of horns in silent zones must be avoided. Keywords. Pollutants. Harmful substances. Acid rain. Rain in which harmful chemicals are mixed. Let us revise. Increase in population has led to the degradation of environment. Mixing of unwanted things in the environment is called pollution. Environmental pollution includes air, water, land, and noise pollution. Pollution causes damage not only to our health but to the whole planet. Plant more trees to save the environment. Use environment-friendly. A. Tick right the correct option.